Imagine typing names on the internet. Might earn you up to $400 per day. I mean, how awesome is that? This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. As you can see, typing one page of names can earn you $15. 5 pages can earn you $75. And typing 20 pages a day can earn you $300. The best part is that there are no restrictions. You may type as much as you like and earn as much as you want. This is something you can do on your phone or on your computer, and it's entirely free and available all over the world. Make sure to watch this video all the way to the end to avoid missing out on the sign-up process, which is actually rather difficult and most people get it incorrectly. Before we go further to this video, welcome to the Rapid Money, where we will teach you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button and press the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's return to the video now. You can see that by using the calculator on this website, we can estimate how much money you can make from this new opportunity. Pay attention to the rate per word, which is the amount of money you can get paid per word that you type, in this case 0.5 in US dollars, and one page usually has around 300 words. For example, type the name project. Here is page number 1, and this type the name project right here is page number 2, and this type the name project right here is page number 3. On each of these pages you can get paid simply by inputting names. Let me now show you on this page where you can truly get paid 15 for writing 300 words. As I scroll down, it shows that there are a total of 300 names, meaning you can earn $15 and 300 words per page by simply typing names on this website. This is a fantastic opportunity to make money. Consider this: we can receive up to 20 pages per day at 15 per page, which means you can easily earn $300 or even $400 per day by simply typing names on this website. First, I want you to come over to this website, which is talentdesire.com. Earn money online from home without investing. This opportunity is absolutely free. You don't need any investment for any money to get started. When you scroll down below, you can actually see that they offer different opportunities to work from home, including online proofreading jobs, freelance blogging, language translation, and online paid surveys. There are many different jobs that you can do, but right on this video, we're going to focus on online typing jobs because this is one of the simplest things that you can do on this website, and it requires no experience or tech skills at all. Now take a look at this. You can earn $13,500 all the way up to $27,000 per year. Now, for the joining fees, you can see here that the registration is absolutely free, and there are no hidden cards before or after joining, and we don't ask about investment to you on any stage. This is an absolutely free and worldwide opportunity. Right over here, you can see, depending on what level you are, you'll get paid different amounts of brick, ranging from beginners all the way up to the experts. You can see here that even if you are a complete beginner, you can actually get paid or not expert level. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment down below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. It's now time to get back to work and earn some money. And here's the first bonus tip: simply inputting names online can help you earn a better rate. Please go to the website raditype.com. Basically, this is the home page of this website where you can take a free typing test. Essentially, this is the website's home page where you can take a free typing test. After that, I want you to click on the yellow icon right here, and you'll be taken to this page where you may start typing on your phone or computer. I'd like you to take the speed typing exam because this website will provide you with a typing certificate. You can receive the certificate for free, and the reason you need one is that it will increase your income and earning rates per page. For example, if you want to earn 15 for every single page you type, make sure you get the certificate. This is the ultimate secret, because even if you are completely new but have the certificate to prove to them that you can type, you will be accepted much faster and will have access to more high-paying ties and unlimited job opportunities. With that said, typing names will allow you to earn $300 or even $400 per day. So, once again, it's important that you keep an eye on the screen to learn how to obtain the certificate and complete your application on talentdesire.com. Now, when you start typing on this website, it will calculate how many words you can type per minute, as well as your accuracy, including whether you have any spelling or typing errors. You can see here that your accuracy should be between 98 and 99.99. The higher your accuracy, the more money you'll make by taking a typing test and obtaining a certificate from this website. You can demonstrate both your typing speed and accuracy, which will quickly increase your payout rate. If your accuracy is less than 98, don't panic. You can go back to the website ratatype.com and take the typing test for free until you improve your speed or accuracy. Now, once you've arrived at a satisfactory result, you may sign up for a free account by scrolling down and clicking on this link right here. You can make a free account by entering your name, email address, and password. So go ahead and click the yellow sign up button after agreeing to the terms and conditions. Then when you scroll down below and click on the certificate, you'll see that it says awarded to your name for typing in English, and they'll even show you the ratatype.com signature to verify that the certificate is real. This certificate is actually quite beneficial to you. You could be paid at a considerably higher rate. You can actually click on this print button right here when you scroll down again. But don't worry, you can do this on your computer or on your mobile phone as well. All you have to do is see the image of your certificate or save it as a PDF file. Just click on the save button. We're going to head to talentdesire.com. Once you obtain the certificate, so you can start applying for this job. When you get to the bottom of this website, click the red button that says apply now, and you'll be taken to this page where you can begin applying for jobs. Then simply scroll down to see what's available. Choose an application. After that, we'll proceed to this page where you can fill out an online application for work at home jobs by clicking on this red link right here. I want you to scroll down and look for this redneck who says fill in your details to apply and work with us. If you can't find the registration page, make sure you view the video again, because you can bookmark or save it to your playlist and watch it later. When you scroll down to the bottom of this page, you'll see that you'll be filling in your personal information. The first thing you'll need to do is accept the privacy policy, then type in your first and last names as well as your email address, phone numbers, and country. Then click the down arrow. They accept people from all over the world, including countries such as India, Nigeria, Philippines, United Kingdom, United States of America, Pakistan, as well as other nations. Moving on to the next stage, this is basically all about your professional information, and it is a very important section that most people get wrong. Now I want you to enter in the job title section, making sure to type the job title exactly like this one, and then choose what time is ideal for you. Next, click on the down arrow right here, and you can choose anytime you like, but I recommend all day because it will provide you with more options and jobs, allowing you to earn more money online. Then, using the down arrow here, select the best method for receiving your earnings: PayPal, Payoneer, wire transfer, or direct deposit. Now scroll down below to see and choose your current professional status. Once you've filled out all the details, click yes, I've read, and accept the statement above, and don't forget your signature. Just put your full name right here. Click on I'm not a robot, and then click the submit button. Once you've been accepted, you can start receiving typing name jobs such as this one, where you can earn $15 for just 300 words, and this is just one page, and then another $15 for the second page, and another $15 for the third page, and so on. You can earn $15 for every single page that you type, but make sure you submit your job on time to keep receiving more and more daily jobs. And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.